In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Notion with ChatGPT step by step. This is a powerful integration that lets you use AI directly alongside your Notion workspace to write, summarize, brainstorm ideas, and manage information faster than ever. Whether you're a student, creator, or business owner, connecting Notion with ChatGPT can massively boost your productivity. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. From here, create a new page by clicking on New Page. This gives you a clean starting point and also ensures your account settings are easily accessible. Once the page is open, look to the left-hand side of your screen and open the side menu. This is where Notion keeps all of its main navigation and account options. Next, scroll down in the side menu until you see Settings. Click on Settings to open your account configuration panel. Inside the Settings window, look at the top navigation and select Connections. This section is where Notion allows you to link external tools and services directly to your workspace. After you open Connections, scroll through the available options until you find Notion MCP. Once you see it, click on Explore. This will show you a list of supported apps and integrations that work with Notion's connection system. From this list, locate ChatGPT. When you find ChatGPT, click on the Connect button. At this point, Notion will redirect you to ChatGPT to authorize the connection. Review the permissions carefully, then approve the connection. This step allows ChatGPT to interact with your Notion workspace in a secure way. Once the authorization is complete, you'll see a confirmation that ChatGPT is now connected to Notion. That's it. ChatGPT is now successfully connected to your Notion account. You can start using AI-powered features inside Notion to generate content, summarize notes, organize ideas, and automate repetitive tasks. This integration is especially useful for managing projects, writing documentation, and turning rough notes into polished content in seconds. Before you go, if this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use ChatGPT with Notion, and I'll see you in the next video.